footage that you just saw, I shot that in this hanging bridge. This is the Shivapura Hanging Bridge at Yellapur. This place is dope. This viewpoint, that is ridiculous, man. Look at that. So crazy. This place is crazy. I can spend all day here. This path which I'm walking, it's a short hike that takes us to a famous tourist spot in Yellapur known as the Sathoddi Falls. Sathodi Waterfall is not a big waterfall. It's only about 15 meters tall. It should be around 15 into 3, about close to about 50 feet or 50 to 60 feet tall. Apparently the security guards or the watchmen, they don't let us fly the drone. Inside the Sathoddi Falls there are restrictions, so I don't think we will be able to get any aerial view, but let's see. The best time to visit this place is during monsoon or soon after the monsoon, maybe during August or September. The best time, oh shit, I was about to fall. Yellapur is the northeast of Karnataka. So if you ask me, the best time to visit Yellapur would be during monsoon. दूर दूर तक पानी है.